If you're trying to download an app on your iPhone and you get the message, "This app cannot be downloaded because content restrictions are enabled on your device," don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. Then, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. If you're asked for your screen time passcode, go ahead and enter it. Next, tap App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Then select Apps. If Don't Allow is selected, your iPhone won't let you download or reinstall apps from the App Store. That's why the Get button may be grayed out, or you might see this error message when trying to install an app. To fix it, tap Allow All Apps or Unrated, depending on the options available on your version of iOS. Now, go back to the App Store and try downloading the app again. In most cases, the app should download without any issues. If you're still getting the same error, there's one more thing you can try. Go back to Settings, then Screen Time, and open Content and Privacy Restrictions. Temporarily turn Content and Privacy Restrictions off. After that, restart your iPhone, then open the App Store and try downloading the app again. If it works, you can turn Content and Privacy Restrictions back on afterward to keep your settings protected. And that's all there is to it. I hope this guide helped. If it did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.